Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is key aspect of Constitution of 1973. Objectives resolution has been included in the preamble of the Constitution of 1973, according which sovereignty belongs to Allah Almighty. The people's representative would use their powers as a sacred trust within the limits of Quran and Sunnah. This is the written type of constitution. Federal constitutions. Pakistan has been declared as federal state in the 1973 constitution. So 1973 constitutions declared as the federal constitution. Semi-rigid constitutions. The method of amendments neither too difficult nor too easy. National language. Urdu has been declared as the national language of Pakistan. State religion in this constitution is Islam. State religion has been declared as Islam. Independent judiciary. Guarantee has been provided for independent judiciary. Judiciary are paid handsome salaries and have job security. Parliamentary constitution. The parliamentary form of government was implemented in the country. Supremacy of constitution. If any person abrogates or tries to abrogate, he will be charged accordingly. Constitutional institution. According to the Constitution of 1973, has set up several institutions like Council for Commission in Common Interest, National Economic Council, National Finance Commission, Election Commission of Pakistan, and Federal Commission. The institutions work within their limits and prefer national interest. Bicameral legislation. Bicameral legislature. The parliament will consist of two houses according to 1973 constitution. The upper house is called the Senate and the lower house is the National Assembly. The provinces has been given equal representation in the Senate and it is the permanent house. Here the constitutional history of Pakistan 1956, 1962 and 1973. What type of constitution when promulgated? These constitutions in the country 23rd March 1956 is and 8 June 1962. Who promulgated? First constitution is Sikandar Mirza, second Ayub Khan, and third one is Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Constitution Committee in 1956, 1962, 1973. 1956 had Muhammad Ali, 1962 had C.J. Muhammad Shahabuddin, and 73 Hafizuddin Pirzada. And the national language in 1956 Urdu and Bengali, 1962 same wise Urdu and Bengali, and 1973 Urdu. Articles, parts and schedules 1956, 1962 and 1973. Type of government 1956 type of government is parliamentary, 1962 presidential, and 1973 again parliamentary. Federal government power limits 49 in 1962 49 and 1973 114. Head of government 1956 president, 1962 president, and 1973 prime minister. Legislative system unicameral National Assembly 1956, 1962 unicameral National Assembly, and bicameral Senate and National Assembly in 1973. Election type direct election in 1956. In 1962 basic democratic system and 1973 general election. National Assembly consists of 300 members and 1972 and 1973 accordingly. National Assembly consisted of these members.